Hey folks, David here with Cooking and Reviewing in the Burrow. Just a quick follow up to my moose seasoning. I'm going to show you how to make my cluck seasoning as well for chicken. It's almost just the exact same. The ingredients just vary just a little bit. You add one ingredient and take a little bit off from one of them. But the first one is you're going to need, and you can half this if you just want it for one or two meals, but I'm going to put it in this right here, so I need at least a double batch. So just have it in two. And so, for instance, this is 4 tablespoons of Norris chicken bouillon. So if you just want to make a single, of course, you just use 2. So and so on and so forth. So we got 4 tablespoons of the bouillon, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of salt. And here's the variances. I dropped the pepper down to only 1 tablespoon for the chicken seasoning. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just for a little bit of kick. And we'll mix it all up. And just like that, it's ready to go. I use this on any kind of chicken, whether I put sauces on it or just bake it or grill it by itself, you know, just plain. For instance, tonight I'm making buffalo wings, so I'll season the wings with this prior to putting them in the oven, and then I'll take them out and, of course, put the buffalo sauce on them. But I'll have the link for this shaker if you want it in the description for the video below. And make sure you get the medium-sized holes, not the fine ones, or it just won't come out very good. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later and see you on the next video. Bye.